Hi, my name is Jessica Clark, and I'm a student at San Jose State University's School of Information. Thank you for joining me for a quick tutorial on how to search trademarks in the United States Patent and Trademark Office database. This tutorial is for someone looking to see if a certain trademark exists or someone doing research on a specific trademark. A good place to start is a basic TESS search. Let's take a look. Alrighty, first let's navigate to USPTO.gov. From there, we're going to scroll down and find Search Trademark Database. Once again, scroll down and click on Trademark Electronic Search System, TESS. We're going to start with a basic word mark search for new users. Let's put in our search term. Let's try out Barbie. As you can see, I've searched before. Click on Submit Query. Check out the amount of trademarks for Barbie. Barbie is considered a heavily trademarked term. It's going to be most useful for a lot of people to search just the live marks. So let's check live and see how many live trademarks there are for Barbie. 80 marks. Let's get a little bit more specific. We're going to go back and put in Dream House. Check out the live trademarks for Barbie Dream House. Alright, check it out. Let's look at one of these. You can see that they've filed goods and services, toys, games and playthings, dolls, doll clothing, and doll accessories. You can also see that the owner is Mattel, and you could find Mattel's address for contact information right here. Another awesome thing I found in the trademark database is if you click TSDR and Documents, you might be able to find a specimen for the trademark. Here it is. By clicking on specimen, you can see what exactly the trademark is for. What is this thing? It's a Barbie. If you've dabbled in searching even just a little bit, you're familiar with Boolean operators. Thankfully, the trademark database uses them as well. Thankfully, there are tons of guides and manuals for helping you search the trademark database. I'll put this link in the About section of this video, but check it out. You can use Boolean operators to conduct a search in the trademark database. You can use and, or, not, exclusive or, and a combination of these. Again, that was found under Trademarks, Guides and Manuals. Let's try these operators out. Let's try not. If we search Barbie not Dreamhouse, we should get all of the live marks for Barbie that do not include Dreamhouse. Let's check one out. This is for computer hardware and tablet computers. Here's our specimen. Next, let's check out structured searches. Alright, now we're going to try a more advanced search. Go ahead and start again at USPTO.gov and scroll down to TESS. Let's try the word and/or design mark search, the structured search. Let's put in Barbie. And let's find goods and services. Goods are when you're giving the customer a product. Service is when you're doing a service for the customer. So let's put in toys and change our operator to and. Check out all of these records for Barbie toys, many of which are dead. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and please check out some relevant links in the About section of this video. Goodbye!